All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, if we want this industry to change, we got to say the quiet part out loud. Now, there's several facets of this subject. One, social media, influencers. Now, I'm not calling anybody out specifically in this video. I'm merely saying that everybody that wants to change the industry needs to take some heat from it. You got to say the quiet part out loud. The industry has to change, and we have to push for change. And I don't know how else to put it. I've gotten ripped apart on social media for saying the quiet parts. I've gotten made fun of. I've become a meme because of videos I've put out, because I keep saying the quiet part. Other people in my genre that do similar kind of content to me don't. I'm calling you out right now, all of you. You don't say the bad parts. You say, oh, well, we need to fix this. Most of it involves the shop owners making more money, not the technicians actually being treated better or anything like that, or improving the public image of the industry. No, it's more about making sure shop owners make more money. I've been pointing out the crappy things that the industry does to technicians. I've gotten verbally abused in pretty much every social media outlet there is. I've had people post very, very nasty things about me because how dare I question the system that, is out there? Well, because it's wrong. And, and a lot of times when I point out stuff in videos, shop owners that do it right say, very ugly things to me. And you quickly realize the reason they say these things to me is because they see what I'm talking about in real life. Now that's just social media. Let's talk actual technicians and all that. You got to start speaking up. If you're not being treated properly, be nice, but you got to speak up. If working conditions suck, you got to speak up. If nothing else, you will find who your boss really is on how they respond. Now, if you're respectful and not being a D-bag, the response should be, we care about you and want to improve your situation. Usually doesn't happen, but you will learn that in that conversation. You need to say the quiet part out loud and get the response. Let's talk about it in reality. Shop owners going to all these conferences. Are you saying the quiet part at these conferences? Or are you just towing the line of these conferences? Everything's awesome. I'm making buttloads of money. And our other shops saying the quiet part out loud to you. Are you dismissing it? We need to speak up. The industry as a whole needs to step up and deal with our problems across the board, whether that's poor quality of other shops, not bad-mouthing to the consumer, but we need to badmouth it to that shop owner. You need to speak up. If you're a shop owner and you keep getting problems from another shop that they're not fixing, maybe give them a call and go, you got a problem you need to fix. This is bad for our industry. Technicians, you need to speak up when you see another technician doing ghetto stuff. When you see them hacking things apart, you need to speak up. It is your business because they're degrading the industry. We all need to stand up for this industry. If we want things to be better, we need to do something about it. If I'm the only one that's going to talk about the problems in this industry, it's not going to change. I've been on social media for 8+ years. I can take the names I've been called. But this industry has been called much, much worse, and deservedly so. You want to attract talent in this industry, You got to change the industry. Not saying the quiet part isn't going to fix anything. Sweeping it under the rug isn't going to fix anything. I'm sorry, but I'm getting frustrated. Quite frankly, I don't see the industry moving anywhere positive. I know this video might be considered negative, but the fact of the matter is I don't see the industry moving forward. I see the same problems. I see the same things happening over and over again that I have seen for 30 years. It literally is the same cycle that I've seen for my entire career. The industry's just not going to change unless we force it to. So, hope you found this video interesting at least. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatrate Master.